Hello everyone, today we're at the Meriwether Lewis Historical Site. It's just off the Natchez Trace Parkway. Tonight we're going to be staying at the Meriwether Lewis Campground. But right now we're going to be going to do a few hikes in this area, including a hike of the Old Trace. So let's get started.
Hey. Okay, so tell me what you hear. Listen. Absolutely silence except for one thing, and I have to find that one thing. There's the thing.
Let me show you how to call a squirrel. Right there.
You're so silly. So a couple of things to keep in mind when doing trails like this is, one, you need some bug spray. And these trails are a little bit overgrown in areas, so you need to watch for poison ivy, poison oak, and of course it's tick season also, so just be mindful of that. Maybe wear some long pants, and then also watch for snakes. Okay, so just a little short distance from our campsite is the Little Swan Creek Trail. So we're gonna go get started on this trail. Okay, so I have another tip, especially for ladies, or I guess gentlemen with long hair. If you're out hiking, don't forget your ponytail holder like I did. So we had to take the strap off of the camera, and I'm gonna make a temporary ponytail holder because, as you can tell, look at, I'm sweating. So I need to get my hair up so I'm not miserable.
If you're a guy with no hair,
Yeah.
my tip is
Wear a hat, so you know.
deal with it.
Yeah.
If you're bald at a young age like I am, then you're used to adversity. Just deal with it.
Just deal with it. I'm fixing to slip my shoes off and walk in that. Okay, so I've got the shoes off. I'm going in. Oh, it's cold. Oh, God, it's cold. Holy smoke, it's cold. Whew. Oh, God. Whew. Be careful because the rocks aren't slippery. Whew. Oh, my gosh. It's cold.
We're at the Meriwether Lewis Campground. It's a free campground. You can stay here up to 14 days. It's got a bathroom, water. There's no hookups or anything like that, but it has beautiful scenery, lots of shade.
Okay, so I got me a little fire going. What I forgot my little sticks to put my hot dogs on. So what I bought is this disposable little grill here, and place it on that grill. That's where I'm gonna grill me some hot dogs for supper. Here is what I call peace. Todd's over there resting a little bit. Okay, so my coals are good and hot. Fixing to put the hot dogs on because I think it might try to rain on us, so I need to get the food cooked. Started raining on us, so Todd threw up this makeshift tarp, I guess, to cover our hot dogs.
You got to do what you got to do in a hurry. I got a tarp covering us. The hot dogs stay dry. I have a question, Cupcake. There's 8 hot dogs here. There's 2 of us. Who else is coming to dinner?
I had to cook the whole pack.
Well, I'm gonna eat maybe 2, so you got 6 of them to eat.
No, I'll eat 2, but we'll take them and we'll eat them later. They'll be grilled already.
Okay.
All right, so we decided we better go ahead and try one of them hot dogs. What you think? It's good?
It's delicious. You know, we just finished our trip out west, and there were so many amazing places and so many free places to stay with BLM properties, and it was so easy to find them with Campendium. East of the Mississippi, it's much harder to find free campsites, but this Meriwether Lewis Campground is one of them that's free, and you can stay here up to 14 days.
Did we say it's free?
It's free. And they have lots of trails you can hike. Hike on the old trace. You can hike down to a creek, hike through the woods. I mean, it's very beautiful here, but I just wanted to make sure everybody knows that this is a free campsite in Tennessee. It's about an hour, a little bit less than an hour southwest of Nashville.
It's beautiful out here.
It's beautiful. You're definitely in the south because it's only about 80 degrees today, but we're both just sweating buckets.
And bring bug spray again.
Yeah,
remember?
Mosquito spray. It's definitely a place that's worth your time to come and visit if you want to get out. Find a free campsite, enjoy boondocking for a few days or up to 2 weeks. This is just a really nice place.